Have our rentals, and you see we have plenty of things for sale, and we have some nice displays of things that you can buy. Here are our targets. These are all optics and accessories. We have other parts and things like that back here. We have an assortment of AR-10s, AR-15s. We have bolt guns, more AR-15s, PCCs, 9mm, 22s, and we have some AR pistols. You guys remember Jordan? Hey, this is Jordan. Jordan, everybody, Jordan.
Hi.
So, all right, so here we have some of the higher end firearms. There's Alpha Foxtrot, some Masterpiece arms, there's Staccato, lots of other higher end. This is Blue Label stuff. Put it down, Jordan. Obviously, we have many pistols for sale. So there's some SIGs down at the bottom. I see CZs along here, FN, Smith & Wesson, all across the top. Let's see, in here, I see there's a Keltec, Bersa, Taurus, Ruger. You know, there's my favorite shelf. There's the Canik shelf there. There's Springfield. I'm like, HS product. Yeah, Springfield Armory. These are 22s down at the bottom. Some revolvers. Beretta, Walther, Glocks, or H&Ks in the corner, and then Glocks along the top. These are all the used pistols over here, and rifles now, I see. So there's use case, but then we have our shotguns, more things for sale, accessories, ears, more accessories. So if you need components for your rifle builds, we have some holsters, some cases, some belts, slings, cases, more rifle parts, cleaners, all types of things. So, and what's on this side? More cleaning kits and components. We have some EDC bags, a few safes, first aid kits. So, there you go. Like I said, I've never really given you a tour of the store. So here is your official tour of the store. So let's walk through the double doors out onto the range right before we open. So I know I always film the videos from in here, but you guys really have never seen or gotten to be told. So we have 10 lanes here, and we have this is a 25-yard range. So I'm going to actually step out beyond the firing line. It seems like you guys liked when you saw me looking at the beyond the firing line, the ammo that gets down here. So I've been asked before, what is stopping the bullets? So let's walk down here and see. You guys are good to see firsthand. We have a rubber trap. And this is X number of 1,000 pounds of rubber. And then there's metal all the way up in the back and beyond. But all of these white specks are wads from shotguns. So that's what you can see. But you can see some of the like casings or jackets actually as they go into here and kind of bounce back a little bit. Some casings, more wads and jackets. So, but hopefully you found this interesting. I wasn't able to shoot today because there was a class that the class ran pretty long. So I figured I'd give you kind of a behind the scenes tour of our range and what we have and do here. So while I'm walking back past the spent brass, I'm going to just look quickly, see if I see anything. If you guys see anything, point it out to me. So I'm actually in a boot today. I hurt my Achilles tendon, or I have an Achilles tendon issue. So I'm trying to be careful as I move about. I haven't spotted anything yet. Oh, there we go. Here's one. I'll take it. AR round. Oh, there's another. This is an AK round. Usually I have a squeegee, kind of move things around a little bit to open it up, and I could see what I could see. But you guys get the idea. We are literally about to open. So thank you again, as always,